much. Welcome to episode 5 of my Java tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'm going to cover some methods of the string class. The first thing we need to do is create a new project, and I'm going to call it methods, and then create a class. Again, I'm just going to call it methods. Once you get your class created, go on and construct some of the things we've covered in the last tutorials, such as import your scanner, and go on and create a constructor. And then create your main statement. Now once you've got that done, we need to assign a place to save our scanner, or any our scanner. So we'll just call it input for now. And then go on and create a new variable. It needs to be string, and we'll call it answer. And once you've done that, I'll go on and explain what we're going to do. The first thing I want to cover is the dot equals method, which essentially just compares string. So to do this, we need some input. So we're going to ask them to give us some input. We'll system.out.println, and then let's ask them to spell John. So once you've done that, we're going to allow them to input it. So we're going to set answer equal to new dot next line. I'm sorry, not new. Input on this line. And now we want to compare these. So we want to see what our results from these. So we're going to do system.out.println, and we want it to print comparing this to the word John, or whatever they enter to the word John. So we're going to say answer dot equals, and then go on and spell John. I'll quickly explain this. Dot equals is going to compare the string letter for letter, capitalization and all. And where we have John entered right here, and the parentheses after equals, if you wanted to compare two strings, say like comparing a password and a confirmation of the password, you would do that here. And then you could put password dot equals confirmation. Alright, so we'll go on and run it, so I'll show you what it looks like. That's supposed to spell John. We'll do it with, make sure you do it with a capital J, and it's going to say it's true. But let's say you don't want to have a case sensitive program, but there's also another method called dot equals ignore case, and it does exactly what it says it's going to do. And now, if we run it, we don't have to capitalize John. And it'll still say that it's the same word. This is up to you, which one you use, and it really depends on what you're doing. Because a password, you may want to case sensitive. If it's the login, you may not. Alright. Now it's going to make this program loop. We're going to have it run and have it spell John until they're sick of it. To do this, we're going to use a while loop. Before we do that, we need to create a string. A variable that will save the condition for our string, or for our while loop. So we're going to make it string, and we'll call it response. and go on and set that equal to yes. And once you've done that, create your while loop. And this is where we're going to implement the next method of string, which is called .charAt. So to do that, we're going to type response dot charAt. Make sure it's a lowercase c and A needs to be capitalized on the at. And then within your parentheses, you're going to put another condition. So now we have a condition with a condition. And put 0. And now set that equal to y. Now I need to explain a few things we've implemented here. Whenever you're referencing, whenever you're using charAt, you're telling it to go to that specific letter in the string. But unlike us, where we start counting at 1, Java starts counting at 0. So with our word yes, y is actually 0, e is going to be 1, s is going to be 2. Now for us, we'd say y is the first letter. But when you're referring to it in Java, you need to say it's the first letter is 0, the second letter is 1, the third letter is 2. So something else I've implemented that I haven't shown you yet is this double equals. Double equals is the equivalence of dot equals for anything that is a string. Dot equals and dot equals in one case are methods of the string class. Whenever you're comparing anything else, integers, characters, or decimals, if you're not setting it equal something, if you want to compare them and see if they are the same thing, you will use double equals. One other thing that I need to make mention of is you may notice y has single quotations around it instead of double quotations. This is because when you refer to a character, a single character, you will only use single quotations. When you're referring to a string, you use double. If you're referring to a character, which is actually a variable itself, you refer to it in single quotes. And you need to finish the while loop now. So at the end of your condition for while, put an open bracket, and then let's go down to the end of our coding and add a close bracket. But as it is, it's just going to continuously run. Before we compile the program for ourselves, we need to ask them if they wish to continue, or ask the user if they wish to continue. So we'll have another system.out.print run. And in it, we're going to ask them if they wish to continue. Or we'll say try again. Do you wish to try again? And now we're going to set response equal to whatever they input. So we'll say response is equal to input .x. And now when you run this, it's going to ask you to spell John. So John, and now it asks if you want to continue. The reason I use .character is, let's say they get lazy, they don't want to type yes, type y. Or they can type yeah. As you see, as long as the first letter is y, it's going to continue. And if it's anything else, it's going to end it. So I don't necessarily have to type no if I want to type K. And it's on in the program. Alright guys, that does it for this tutorial. Don't forget to comment or message me if you have any questions, and subscribe for more tutorials.